Most business owners are playing a dangerous game, fueling their dreams with personal debt. But there's a better way, a way to unlock millions without ever touching your own SSN. Today, we're building your financial fortress. This is how you create a professional business credit profile from scratch. Step 1. Credibility. You aren't a business until the state says you are. Register your LLC or corporation, get your EIN from the IRS, and for heaven's sake, stop using your personal mobile number. Next, you need your financial passport. Register for a DUNS number via Dun & Bradstreet. It's free, and it's the primary way lenders track your reliability. Now we start the engine. Apply for Tier 1 vendor accounts. These are companies that give you net 30 terms and, crucially, report your on-time payments to the bureaus. Pay these bills early, not just on time. In the world of business credit, early is the only way to earn a perfect score. Within 6 months, the doors to high-limit cards and low-interest loans will swing wide open. Stop being a solopreneur and start being a CEO. Build your profile, protect your assets, and scale. The capital is waiting. Are you ready to claim it?
Want to scale your business fast without wasting money on expensive courses? Stop spending hundreds on courses that don't deliver. Our free training, How to Scale Your Business, gives you proven strategies to grow smarter, faster, and with zero risk. Click the link in the description below now and get instant access to your free training. Don't waste another dollar on programs that overpromise.
Stop looking at the kitchen. Here is the real reason this house is a nightmare. This is exactly how much I spent to control this $500,000 property.
I'm a real estate agent, and I'm telling you, do not buy a house right now, unless you check this one thing first.
The first-time home buyer trap is back, and it's costing people $40,000 on average. What if I told you the bank is praying you don't find out about this specific loan type? The 1% are quietly buying up this one asset class while you're distracted by the stock market. I found a loophole in the tax code that basically makes your rental property free in the eyes of the IRS. This is the secret room every investor looks for, but 99% of buyers walk right past. The 3-word phrase that saved my client $15,000 at the closing table. Stop hemorrhaging equity, instant portfolio scaling, recession-proof your cash flow, the unfair advantage in this market, the anti-guru. Forget everything popular expert told you about real estate. Here's what actually happened on my last deal. The listicle reveal 3 real estate myths that are keeping you broke. Number 2 is the most dangerous. The zero to hero. How I went from zero in the bank to a 5-door portfolio using other people's money.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.